Imagine a place visited every day by thousands of cars, trucks, motorcycles, and buses, where enormous amounts of energy are transferred into vehicle fuel tanks within just a few minutes. Modern gas stations may appear simple from the outside. You arrive, pick up the nozzle, refuel, pay, and leave. Underneath the surface, however, there is a highly sophisticated system of underground tanks, pumps, pipelines, filters, sensors, electronics, and safety technologies working together continuously. Because gas stations handle large quantities of highly flammable fuel, every part of the system must operate quickly, accurately, and safely. But how does a gas station actually work? The foundation of every fuel station is the underground storage tank system. These tanks may hold tens of thousands of liters of gasoline or diesel fuel and are installed deep underground for both safety and temperature stability. Modern tanks are built using multi-layer corrosion-resistant materials designed to prevent leaks and environmental contamination. Inside the tanks, sensors continuously monitor fuel level, temperature, pressure, and possible leakage conditions. When a customer starts fueling, the station's pumping system activates. Electric pumps move fuel from the underground storage tanks through a network of pipes toward the fuel dispenser. During this process, the fuel passes through filters that remove contaminants and water that could potentially damage vehicle engines. Precision flow measurement systems simultaneously track the exact amount of fuel being delivered to ensure accurate billing. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. The fuel nozzle itself contains several important safety mechanisms. One of the best-known features is the automatic shutoff system that stops fuel flow when the vehicle tank becomes full. Inside the nozzle is a surprisingly clever vacuum-based mechanism. As fuel rises inside the vehicle tank and reaches the nozzle opening, airflow changes inside the nozzle and automatically triggers the shutoff system to prevent overflow. Safety is one of the most critical aspects of the entire station. Gasoline vapors are extremely flammable, so all electrical systems must be specially protected against sparks or ignition sources. Modern gas stations use grounding systems, anti-static protection, vapor recovery systems, leak detection sensors, and ventilation technologies designed to minimize fire and explosion risks. Although fueling appears simple, it is actually supported by a highly advanced network of mechanical and safety engineering systems. For a gas station to operate reliably, fuel must be continuously delivered, stored, and monitored properly. Fuel is typically transported to stations using large tanker trucks containing multiple separate compartments for different types of gasoline and diesel fuel. During delivery, fuel is transferred from the tanker into underground storage tanks through specialized pipe connections. The entire process is carefully controlled because even small fuel leaks could create serious environmental and safety hazards. Inside the underground tanks, fuel must be protected against contamination. One major problem is water accumulation caused by condensation. Even small amounts of water inside fuel can damage vehicle engines or fuel systems. Modern gas stations therefore use highly sensitive sensors capable of detecting water levels at the bottom of storage tanks. If contamination is detected, maintenance systems can remove the water before it reaches customers' vehicles. Ventilation and vapor management systems are also critically important. Gasoline evaporates very easily, creating highly flammable fuel vapors. Modern fuel stations therefore use vapor recovery systems that capture gasoline vapors during refueling operations. Instead of escaping into the atmosphere, many of these vapors are redirected back into the storage system. This reduces environmental emissions while also improving station safety. The fuel dispensers themselves contain surprisingly complex electronic systems. Inside each dispenser are flow meters, pressure sensors, electronic valves, communication modules, and control units connected to the station's payment systems. Modern dispensers must measure fuel delivery with extremely high precision because even very small errors could create major financial losses across thousands of fueling operations every day. Automation also plays a massive role in modern fuel stations. Many systems continuously monitor tank levels, fuel usage, pump performance, temperatures, and potential technical problems. Operational data is often transmitted online to centralized management systems capable of scheduling fuel deliveries, detecting equipment failures, and optimizing station performance before problems affect normal operation. Although the primary function of a gas station is fuel distribution, modern stations are now far more complex technological systems than most people realize. One of the most important components is the fuel measurement system. Every liter or gallon of gasoline and diesel fuel must be measured with extremely high accuracy. Specialized flow meters continuously monitor the amount of fuel passing through the dispenser. These systems are regularly calibrated and inspected because even tiny inaccuracies could create significant financial discrepancies over thousands of transactions each day. Fuel quality control is equally important. Gasoline and diesel fuels contain various additives designed to improve combustion, lubrication, engine cleanliness, and cold weather performance. Premium fuels often include more advanced additive packages intended to reduce carbon deposits or improve engine efficiency. Gas stations, therefore, must carefully separate different fuel grades to prevent contamination or mixing between products. Modern fuel stations are also heavily integrated with digital systems. Payment terminals, surveillance cameras, electronic sales systems, fuel inventory monitoring, and remote equipment diagnostics operate continuously. Large fuel station networks often use advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to optimize fuel pricing, predict fuel demand, manage logistics, and improve operational efficiency across multiple locations. One of the biggest changes in recent years is the rise of electric vehicles. Many modern gas stations are now adding fast charging systems for EVs alongside traditional fuel pumps. These charging systems operate very differently from conventional fueling because they transfer large amounts of electrical energy directly into vehicle battery packs. High-power DC fast chargers can operate at power levels exceeding hundreds of kilowatts. As a result, gas stations are gradually evolving into broader energy distribution hubs rather than simple fuel stations. Future stations may simultaneously provide gasoline, diesel, electricity, hydrogen, digital services, and automated logistics systems. Much of the advanced technology hidden beneath the ground and inside fuel dispensers is far more sophisticated than most customers realize during everyday refueling. One of the biggest engineering challenges for gas stations is maintaining safety while protecting the environment. Gasoline and diesel fuels are highly flammable, and fuel leaks can seriously contaminate soil and groundwater. Because of this, modern fuel stations use multiple layers of monitoring and protection systems designed to detect problems early and minimize the risk of accidents or environmental damage. Underground storage tanks are now commonly built using double-wall construction combined with highly sensitive leak detection systems. Between the inner and outer tank walls is a monitored space capable of detecting even very small fuel leaks. If the inner tank wall becomes damaged, electronic monitoring systems immediately trigger warnings before fuel can escape into the surrounding environment. Vapor recovery technology is also extremely important. Gasoline vapors are not only flammable, but also harmful to both the environment and human health. Modern gas stations therefore use vapor recovery systems that capture fuel vapors during both vehicle refueling and tanker truck fuel deliveries. Instead of releasing vapors into the atmosphere, the system redirects them back into storage tanks for safer handling. Fire protection systems are another critical part of station design. Emergency shutdown switches can instantly stop fuel pumps and isolate fuel flow throughout the station. Electrical systems are specially engineered to minimize spark risks in hazardous areas. Many stations also include fire detection systems, automatic shutoff valves, explosion-resistant equipment, and fire-resistant construction materials capable of withstanding extreme conditions. The growth of electric vehicles is introducing entirely new technical challenges as well. High-power EV fast chargers operate with extremely large electrical loads and generate significant heat during operation. Modern energy stations must therefore manage both flammable liquid fuels and high-capacity electrical infrastructure simultaneously. In the future, many stations may combine gasoline, diesel, electricity, hydrogen fueling, battery storage, and renewable energy systems within a single integrated energy hub. Automation and digitalization will likely become even more important in the future. Modern stations already use online fuel inventory monitoring, remote diagnostics, predictive maintenance systems, automated fuel ordering, and AI-powered analytics to optimize operations. Some future concepts even involve fully autonomous stations with minimal human staff, and highly automated energy management systems. Environmental regulations are also becoming increasingly strict. Fuel stations must comply with advanced standards related to vapor emissions, leak prevention, groundwater protection, and fire safety. As electric vehicles and alternative fuels become more common, station infrastructure will continue adapting to entirely new forms of transportation, energy distribution. At the center of the entire system, however, the core principle remains the same: safely and efficiently transferring energy into vehicles. Whether the energy source is gasoline, diesel, electricity, or eventually hydrogen, modern fuel stations represent a highly sophisticated combination of mechanical engineering, electronics, logistics, environmental protection, and energy management technologies that keep global transportation moving every day.